As you can tell, we are at James's house once again. Exactly what I said from the last video. We're at James' house. We're gonna get cracking, but obviously we need to start off with a little bit of four-wheeling, which is what John's doing right now. Nigga, what are you staring at? This nigga's recording me, recording him, recording me. This nigga's recording me, recording him, recording me, recording him, recording him, recording me, recording him. Oh, what? Oh!
No offense, bro, but this is probably weaker than that. All right, you want to hold on? You're gonna want to hold on to that.
It's a bit, let me see. Oh shit! And this nigga was hating on a gun before he even did it.
My battery's low. Excuse. I haven't used that. The battery has been in there for like a week, and I haven't used it. But the last time I did that, it drained. So this is about the time where you pull out the manual and make sure that none of these are specific to whatever.
He asked me
That's your cue.
The manual. The fuck?
Who the hell is a manual?
Who the fuck is manual? And why the hell does he want me to get him?
Hey kids, this is why you change your oil. You see that? I can feel that with my fingernails.
Look at all that scarring.
Wow, this one's brand new and it has a ceramic coating.
Ah, this nigga, bro.
Now we grab the oil.
To be fair, bro, you definitely should have changed your oil. This nigga never changes his oil, bro. Why am I losing power? Whoa. He's bleeding, bro. He's hitting it on a period, bro.
Bro, that was out of line.
Yeah, that was. I have to.
So is that, nigga?
Nigga said.
You said.
So at this point of time, you're supposed to check specs. Sorry for all you engine builders.
Following this tutorial, I kind of forgot.
This not keep though. If you use my video as a tutorial, please don't.
You're supposed to check specs all over. You're supposed to use a lot of tools to make sure that everything will go on perfectly and it has the perfect tolerance. We're poor. We could rent out the tools, yes. This guy will make it like 3 to 4 weeks before you can rent out the tools. And it's like $3 grand per tool.
How? Huh? Who? What?
It's expensive.
To even rent them out?
To rent out, these tools are expensive. You drop it, it's already messed up.
Oh, fuck no, nigga. We broke, nigga. We is not getting none of that.
That's why this video is for the broke people. You put a lot of lube where
Nigga is fucking spilling it all over the fucking place.
it works. This thing's stickier than the good stuff, which means this is the better stuff.
He's talking about the semen.
No, I'm pretty sure. You want to feel it?
No, I'm good.
Taste it.
Don't you taste it, wise guy?
This nigga's trying to seduce all the women that watches it, which is probably just one.
Just one. You'd be surprised. You know, I was on my motorcycle going to Spirit Halloween to grab a skeleton to put on the back of a motorcycle for a meet, and there was this really nice, good looking girl in a truck.
This nigga's an NPCS with a gun. Yeah.
And yeah.
Is that it?
So
alrighty.
you gotta make sure you see this tab right here. That's what keeps your bearing in place.
Mm-hmm.
If you decided to put the tab where the other tab goes, you're a dumbass. That's all I'm saying.
Got all that lube. Now you got it.
Okay, so
right
also
place.
I watched the video when they installed this. They didn't do that. They didn't tighten it down either. So what they did was first they hand tied it, and then they checked that it could move, and they measured it and all that stuff. But we're gonna hand tie it, make sure it moves, not measure it because we don't have stuff to measure it. Yes.
What?
What?
I'm gonna record this part. You're gonna make so many people cringe.
Hey everyone, this is what James does.
Jerson wanted me to speed up,
Yeah, I did.
so I had to improvise because John Michael's impact was from Harbor Freight.
It's probably, I don't know.
Don't recommend this. It's just that James is just not taking me seriously. He's a TSP.
Wow, this one was really tight. I wonder how hard I have to torque these.
You probably have to look up the torque specs for it. How much do I torque my...
It moves freely. No, I'm just kidding. It moves freely.
I'm really just trying to eat the ass.
Pop quiz, guys. Which one of these is a thrust bearing?
Okay, my assumption is gonna be this guy right
It's
here.
one of them. Are there more than multiple? Can there be multiple?
One per each half. Which one?
This one,
Are you sure?
I am 100% sure
You
it's this
certain?
one. I am certain.
What does a thrust bearing do?
I don't know what the fuck it does, but it look like a thrusty.
Is it thrust?
All right, so basically a thrust bearing is you've got two axes of power. One is up and down and rotational. That's what these guys do. And the next one is it actually thrusts this way, forward. And that's what this guy does. It counters that.
So it's only this guy that's doing the thrusting then.
It's only this guy that does the thrust.
That pushes it this way
Pushes all the...
for everything.
So whenever the engine's on, it pushes either way, this way or this way.
Huh.
That's just the way it's built. And in order to counter that, you put a thrust bearing. If you don't have that, you'll actually wear through everything.
Interesting. The more you know.
Oh my god, this is so delicate. And I already scratched it.
Am I just like...
Something happened.
No, it's not in it yet.
That was crazy. I do not remember us taking that apart.
Yeah, I did it.
Okay, good.
Okay. Oh, that's why.
Destroys my
All these
business.
engine builders are gonna really cringe at me. Okay, there we go.
Just wait till Rob finds out.
Yeah, you don't want Rob to find out.
Hashtag don't let Rob find out.
Don't tell Rob. Put it on a t-shirt.
Rod bolt stretch gauge, easy to find.
We don't have that.
Okay, we don't fucking have that, mariconazo.
Oh, first step is gonna be 25 foot-pounds. Then we're gonna be white and loosen it. 3/8 of a quarter, or whatever.
An eighth.
That's an eighth.
Yeah.
I don't think that's an eighth.
That's definitely more than an eighth.
That's probably an eighth. And then we're gonna go to stage 2 because it says torque bulls in 2 steps to recommended torque. Recommended torque is 50, so we're going to go 50. 1. Because it's like we're going to go 50. We trust Craftsman or Icon.
We do not. I'm not sponsored by Craftsman. Neither is he.
Icon. We're sponsored by Harbor Freight.
I'm not sponsored by shit. But if you want to sponsor, holla at your boy. No, this is him moving after we mentioned the McChicken. This fat ass nigga.
Good food.
So a job. We're offering this bitch ass nigga a job. Keep note, my dad is also like watching his every fucking move, right? Because he's gonna be our mechanic at my business, and this is how he's moving. He's just taking his lovely time with everything he does. That's a good way to like show how you're doing, right?
You want to make sure it's even, so you go in between all these. Make sure you're on the threads. If you're not on the threads, you're gonna screw up the threads.
You're gonna strip it. Strip club.
That's a good surface. When your socket hugs that bolt like that, that means you got the right socket.
I won't. It's recording. By the way, this is a different day. It's about a week. Actually, no. When was the last time we were here, John?
Just 3 days.
3 days. And we're using this thing right here. And supuestamente this should be a hit or miss with this.
Yeah, especially the way I'm putting it on. I don't even know if this is the right thickness or not.
Yeah, but yes, drying extremely well. Right. Got it, John?
Yeah, but like this is just odd.
Is it in there?
I mean, it's not all the way. That one is.
Lift it. It's not
Lift
sitting.
it up more.
Lift it.
It's gotta be balanced. Okay. Step away from the motor.
And watch it fall because of gravity.
A few minutes later.
As you can tell, the block is taken apart again.
Yes. I messed up. Big time. We had to take it apart again.
So John had one of these niggas sticking out a little bit, so
In the wrong spot.
in the wrong spot, let alone.
It's okay.
Yeah, I
We
took
learned.
to look at it. I was like, shit, well, that's not supposed to be there.
Can you imagine the nigga's engine blows up?
Imagine if we never looked at that.
God damn, how hard was it to put 2 rods into the hole straight up?
I couldn't. I mean, your fat ass hands were in
was
the
just
way.
straight.
Dog.
All you had to do was do this straight, and that was it.
It was when I lifted it up.
It wasn't, apparently not. Because
Brad didn't hear what I said.
it would have,
He's not listening to what I'm saying.
stayed. Would have stayed, wouldn't it? Now we restart the whole process once again. You're supposed to touch that.
Alright. Hold on. Yep, we're good. We're good. James, look if it's good.
Snuck as a snuck.
Or what, bro? We snuck in the. We
Fuck in a ruck.
We're snug in a. We snug like a bug in a rug, nigga.
Do you have the hammer?
We got the hammer. We keep the hammer on us.
You're not supposed to hammer at block close.
We're not supposed to hammer the block chose. Block chose.
The block toes, nigga.
Nigga.
The block's toes.
Nigga, the block toes and
And I
we
got hoes because I blocked yours.
listen and
Eating nachos
Nigga,
and tacos.
But guess what? I can't drink milk. I'm lactose.
Oh, intolerant.
Okay, the motor still spins, which is okay.
The motor done spins. It spun. It's snug as a bug in the rug.
I call him Pablo Picasso.
Call me Slim Jim. Call me proper thickness.
Papa John.
They call him. Call me James.
Papa John.
I call it his and hers.
I call her
I
chandelier.
call her nigga. Hold
Papa
that
John.
spit out your mouth. What the fuck? Call me Tony, the engine specialist.
Papa John.
I call her Pizza Brand.
You know what?
Oh shit. Oh, but fucking. Ah.
Call it
Papa John.
nigga what? Nigga what?
Yeah.
We have so much ADHD, bro.
Papa John.
They call me Chris Cross.
What's up? Wow, that's surprising. No. Snack.
Damn, look at all that semen. Engine look like it got a cream pie. That's what we want.
This is who you're. This is a YouTuber you're watching that just said that. On this YouTube video that you're watching right now, he just said that.
Safe number. So you gotta find the code. You take your fresh piston
Hey, it's upside down. It's like.
and make sure that it's even. And then you see that gap right there?
Yes.
Yeah. So now with that gap, you gotta check it with a feeler gauge. We're gonna go find the thickness that it is. So I didn't feel anything there.
You feel like Mr. Krabs?
Almost felt something there.
I gotta wash this hoodie.
Perfect. All right, so right now they're at 0.015 gap. Doesn't really say anything. But now that we know they're 0.015, you sand these down very precisely and you make sure there's no burrs anywhere, because that would mess up your engine pretty bad. And then you adjust it to what you want. It could be like 0.20, 0.40, 0.80. I don't know why you want 0.80 for.
What do you think would be the best for this?
No clue yet. Have to do research and calculations and all that stuff. Fun.
And then James is gonna take about 2 weeks to 3 weeks doing that, and then then he does it. Then he does it, right? But he's gonna do one at a time each day, because after one he gets a little bit tired and hungry. So then he goes and eat, right? And then after he goes to eat, he goes pet his little nice cute kitty, and then he go feed his dog. And after that, he's gonna go right to bed and be as snug as a bug in a rug. Then he's gonna wake up the next day.